going to add a little white distilled vinegar just to help in the cleaning process. I'm going to add a little water in there. I have my seasonings here. I have garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, Creole seasoning, and also I have Italian seasoning here and black pepper. And we're just gonna mix that in really well. Just like that. Spin that all around. Now it's ready to be poured onto our chicken. And then we're going to massage that all in real good. Like so, like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let the chicken marinate in the seasonings while I cut up my onion and bell pepper. Okay, I'm using cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. You can do whatever you like. If you like cream of mushroom only, that's fine. If you want to mix it up with cream of celery, that's also fine. I actually prefer cream of celery and cream of chicken, but I didn't have cream of celery in my pantry. So, but at the end of the day, it's your thing. So you can do what you want to do. However you want to do it, you can do it that way. If you just want cream of mushroom, hey, do cream of mushroom. All right, so now I have this mixed up together, and I'm going to add in a half a cup of chicken broth, just to kind of thin it out a little bit. And I think I'm going to add a little paprika to this, just to give it some color. Even though we have our chicken has paprika, I'm going to add some smoked paprika into this as well, as you can see. If you only have regular paprika, that's fine. Right now, it's just for color purposes. Paprika makes everything pretty. So, now that's all set and ready to go. This actually is a very quick dish to make. I would say the prep time is maybe about 20-25 minutes, if that long. All right, so we got this all set, so it's time to get our chicken in the baking dish. Okay, I'm gonna spray my baking sheet for my veggies. I know it's gonna be a lot of meat, but I still wanna make sure nothing sticks. So I'm spraying my pan, and then I'm going to just add in my veggies. And this is going to be the bed that our chicken lays on. And it's gonna pull all those flavors from the veggies, and the veggies are gonna get all the flavors from the chicken. It's just gonna be a meld of flavor. Okay, I'm gonna also just put in a layer of my soup mix, just a little bit. Spread that around a little bit. Like that, like so, you know. It's like painting a Picasso. All right, let's get our chicken in here. All right, so I'm gonna just layer the chicken on top like that. And of course, you can lay it any way you like. Like I said, it's your thing. Do what you want to do. For some reason, I like mine to be uniform. You don't have to do it like that, but of course, that's my preference. And I'm going to do what I want to do because it's my thing. All right. Okay. Now we're going to cover this up and we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven. And we're going to let this baby... No, we're not going to cover it up yet. I got to finish putting the rest of our stuff on top. Yeah, let's get this all on there. It's going to be so pretty and it's going to be so good. Let's cover it up. And get it in this 350-degree oven on 350, and I'm going to put it on a 30-minute timer, and then we'll be back to see what's going on with it. All right, this is how it's looking after 30 minutes, and you can just put it right back in the oven with some paprika, or you can stir it around like I'm doing here and just moving the meat around, just giving it some space. Here I'm sprinkling paprika on top. It's a little razzle-dazzle to give it a pretty coating when it comes out. It's going to be so beautiful. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for 45 minutes. And look at here. This is how it's looking after 45 minutes. Doesn't it look good? Delicious. I'm going to put it back in the oven, though, for another 15 minutes because I want my meat to fall off the bone. Okay? All right, here they are after that last 15 minutes, and they look absolutely delicious. I can't wait to get into these bad boys. All right, this is what I've decided to use with my chicken today. It's called Palmini. I purchased it at Walmart. I'm trying to cut back on my carbs. As you can see, it's 4 grams of carbs. It's angel hair made from hearts of palm. And I just followed the instructions on the back. It says add sauce once you rinse it and put it in a pot. But I don't have a specific sauce. The sauce I'm going to pour over will be the sauce from the chicken. So what I did was I cooked it in a little chicken broth, added some seasonings, salt, pepper, and I put in some lemon juice from a fresh lemon. And I'm going to put the chicken on top. So we're going to check that out and see how it is. This is the first time I'm trying this. All right, guys, here we go. Now here's my chicken. And this is actually the angel hair pasta. It's really not pasta. It's hearts of palm. So that's what I really wanted to try with you all. This is my first time. So I'm going to spin it around. And it spins. It's actually pretty tasty. It's not bad. And of course, my chicken is going to be good. So, let me think you can. I'll pick it up and let you see it. This hard to palm is pretty good, really. So here's my chicken. You see? We're gonna break that. Oh, it's falling apart. It's falling apart. But it's good, y'all. So try it out.